What's up? Welcome to a new video, and it's the first one of 2022. Hope everyone had a good break over the Chrissy and all that, and you're getting back into car stuff as I am. Now, finally, gonna pull my finger out and get this thing painted. So, I'll do a couple of shots of what it looks like now, and we'll start dismantling this thing and get ready for the new look. Who can guess the colour? A few people know. Post it up, don't care, do whatever you want. Like, comment, don't subscribe, don't care. Let's get into it.
Time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your...
Alright, so got her in position. She's had a hard life. It's going to be a sad day pulling these stickers off because Mick, who was from 5150, has passed away from cancer only a couple of months after me mum, so it's very, I don't know, bit of emotion with the car. That's the last sort of sticker that he's got on the car. But she's well overdue for some love. The worst thing was Westy helped me fix this quarter panel, and I hit the wall the next event. And over this side, when she was blue, Dale from Ward's Repairs, he pulled this corner out. So she's had more hits than Elvis, this thing. And yeah, she's trowed up. Like, I've never pretended she was a show car. It was only painted in a shed with dust everywhere. So it's what the other people didn't understand when I said, oh, would you want to come on board and paint the car? It's like, mate, it's a freaking race car. Have a look at it. Look at that. It's like it's an earthquake. Poor old Rhino. He'll be gone. Got the new stickers already from Brett. Been holding on to them for 2 years. So let's make it happen. Start stripping. Sad to see the orange go, but I'm looking forward to seeing the new look. And I hope you guys enjoy it too. Alright, got a sexy assistant on the cordials. We'll make it happen. Maybe Tanya will bring in a few more subscribers. This is my beautiful missus. Stop it.
When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone.
Bars off, sexy assistant. Oh, jeepers. Just trying to get all the clickbait shots here. It's going to be the new Tanya XYY Not show.
When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something that I wish in. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something that I wish.
What do you think of the stickers going, mate?
Huh?
What do you think? Don't like it with the stickers gone?
I don't know it.
Don't like it?
Don't like it without the stickers.
Oh, but it's going to have new colours, mate. It's going to be awesome. What do you think, Indy?
Looks fine to me.
Fine.
It'll look good again soon.
All right. Keep going. Update. Front's all off. Obviously I can tape that up, but
From here, it feels like a
oh, she's a bloody GS now. Falcon 500.
That off anyway.
Well done, baby.
You have to take the light off to get.
Yeah, I'm going to do that now, Shem. All right, video 1, day 1, strip, Sean. What have I done? What have I done? Just one more trim, debating whether to take the door handles off or not. See what the guys say about the door handles. Start sanding and repairing. Because, jippers! Jippers! Got a new bonnet for Paul, so I'm going to get that re-stickered up with LT Karworx on it, like the original, and my 237 logo. Should be good. Bogger that up. Quiet little family over there. Still looks tough without anything on it. It's amazing.